In this video, I'll be showing you how you add section breaks on Microsoft Word. So if you are new here, give me a like and subscribe to my channel. So to add a section break, what we are going to do is we tap on we put our cursor at the place we want to add our section break, right? We want to divide this side and this side. So what we are going to do is, that's a section, not a page break. So what we are going to do is we move to this tab here, which is layout. The tabs here, move to layout. You see breaks here, tap on breaks, and this is a section break. So we move to the next page, right? There's a section break. Tap on that, and then we've added our section break here. So now let me show you guys how to make you know you've broken the section. So we tap on this here, see section 2, and this is section 1. Yeah. So that's it. So now let me close it. Good. And that's it on how you add section breaks. So for you to know where you added a section break, come to your home button here. You see this paragraph sign here, tap on that. And it shows you where you put your section break. And that's it. Great. So that's it for the video. If you are new here, give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Peace.